Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. Once again you are most welcome in my YouTube channel Why Do Robotech and Automation. Today we are going to learn how to flash the code in ESP32 by using OTA Web Updater. It means we can upload the code without using any wire connection between ESP32 board and computer. So let us get started step by step. This is my ESP32 board. I will program this board for LED blinking code. So I will not connect any wire from here to here. I will just power by this power bank. Okay. So first of all I will open this Arduino. So Arduino IDE is opened. Now we will go to files and examples and go to Arduino OTA. So I think there is no Arduino OTA option. So go to tools and select here board. Board is ESP32 and select here ESP32 dev kit 1. Okay. And go to files again and open examples. And you can see here this is Arduino OTA. Click on OTA web updater. Okay. And just here type credential. So my router SSID is white loop and password is void add loop. Okay, and everything is okay. Okay, so first of all I will upload this code in this board. So I will connect the wire. This is compulsory for first time and I will insert here. Okay, and I will select here port. Port is COM 3 is okay and everything is okay right now. So I will just open the serial monitor and select boot mode. So press boot button and enable. Now board is in boot mode. Okay, and upload. So right now OTA web updater code is uploaded. You can see here it is connected to white loop and MDNS responder started. Okay, so this is IP address. I will copy this. Now I will remove this wire and I will connect with this power bank. Okay, so now I will upload the LED blink code. So I will open LED blink code. Okay, and I will just copy and I will paste here. I can upload only this code, but I will not upload only LED blinking code. I will upload LED blinking code with OTA because of we can update next time. Otherwise only one time it will be updated by OTA. Okay, I hope you understood these things. So in white setup I will paste. Okay, and I will copy this line. Okay, and now I will save this code. Go to file and save as. Okay, and go to sketch, export compiled binary. Okay, click here and close this. Okay, it is compiling and it will generate binary file. Okay, done compiling. So I will copy this IP address and I will go to browser and just paste and enter. Okay, you can see this is HTML page. I will put username admin and password is admin and login. Okay, you can see here I will update binary file. So click on choose file and go to their folder where my file is saved, ESP32 OTA. Okay, select this binary file and open and click on update. You can see LED is blinking. Okay, so now I want to change this LED blinking speed, so I will change delay. It will be 100 millisecond and again export compiled binary. Okay, now go to browser and choose here again that binary file and update. What happened? I think we have to reload this. Okay, again choose and update. Once it will be finished, then code will be update. Okay, wow, you can see LED is blinking with 100 millisecond delay. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video and you learn how to program the ESP32 board without using any wire over the internet only. So please do like, subscribe and share and keep enjoy. Thanks for watching.